come back, you know? Yeah, man. Word, sound and power. Word, sound and power, you know? And we never even have to go nowhere. We learn from it. We just go naturally. We just start flow. You know? You just know how to put on say. You just know say everything is art. Everything is art. You know? You just need to see it. And have the heart. Feet and you see it. You know? Free up the mind. Free up the mind. Free up the mind so that you can find your purpose and start your journey. But you have to let go some of them Babylon shit here. And in order for that, you can't let them go and raise your standard. You have to raise your standard to let them go. You have to raise your standard to let them go. And if you let that, and some of we have to go just work harder than some because some of we standard, some of we never even go for your standard. Some of we never even go for your standard of blood clot. You understand? Because we have this blood clot system set. This system was set. It's like the whole system to ras clot was designed against women. The whole system was designed against women when you really check it. You see what I say? And so therefore, as a warrior and a lioness on the mission and on the journey, you have to maintain certain level and certain balance. Because if you don't maintain certain level and certain balance, the system will topple you up. And even if they topple you physically, they can't topple you mentally, but if you're not balanced, they're going to topple you all over. You understand? And then if you're not balanced mentally, you're never can't able to see certain things because certain things are not visible to the naked eye. Certain things not visible to the naked eye because the deception is so layered and you can't even use deep, just deep alone. You can't even say the deception deep. The deception is so layered. You understand? You have to peel back the layers layer by layer. So when you find a young person, a person in this time, because everybody young in my eyes, everybody young. You're young as you feel. You understand? But when you find your purpose, man, when you find your purpose and you raise your standard, you don't want nobody to try to hold back you. No, you don't want nobody to try to hold you back a blood clot. Well, for me, I don't want nobody to try to hold me back with me. Especially when my standard is already high and I did have to lower it if you even deal with blood clot. Try to hold back a person. You see a young artist that come and you talk to a young musician and the man is like, sure, just cool now, man. Man have talent, man. Just want to connect with the right person for what the and the thing, music, you see music. You know what, that's a story for another day. We never going to do this song straight because we come back and we say we have one for the warriors then, so yeah, we have one for the warriors then, you know. Because a two set of people me I say right now. You understand? Me just say everything in a twos. Like when you have good and you have good people and you have bad people. You understand? Good man, bad man, good man, bad man. That's just some see. You see when I say no, not my people me I talk, my people me I talk to my black skin people, them type of skin. Whatever the term, they will like a blood clot English language too. Me say bossy slave and me say warrior upon mission. Me say bossy slave in a prison and me say warrior upon mission. I don't know which category you want to put yourself in. But me a blood clot warrior upon the mission. And this affair all of the other warriors them out there upon the mission who hold them blood clot standard no matter what. Bumble clot Babylon fling at them. Standard still hold and maintain. Yeah? So warrior upon the mission. Yeah, warrior on the mission. Warrior on the mission. Warrior on the mission. Warrior on the mission could have never be a slave in a prison. If body cage up, mind still flying high above the imagination of the capturer. Left that in him own cage. Sounds strange? Your mind in a bandage. No disrespect. A junk story. Warrior mind instinctive. Soldier take order. Warrior following instinct. Warrior mind. Can't use that to make a pitch bin. Slave in a prison. No I. Not I. Free I. Like Jus Seh It, I might come back far. You know that, eyes of sound mind. Audio crisp and clearly defined. Hear a vibration, same time you feel it. Those Yes, I hear a vibration, same time you feel it. Those Cardan could have never been enslaved in a prison. No. Not this young woman. Not this young woman. Warrior on the mission. Warrior on the mission. No bow to God's religion. I've observed those who do end up in a prison, mentally bound and verbally cursing Satan. Warrior on the mission. Not all bumbleclad falls indoctrination. Yes, I journey on. Never blood clot get weary. Elevating standard. Day by day. Minute by minute. Second by second. Find your purpose. Raise your standard. Apply some principle and start your mission. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. If anything at all that was said connect with you in any shape or form. But get that out of the way. Slave in a prison. BOASY slave like that in a prison. A warrior and a missionary. I think everybody have a mission. Everybody, I don't think anybody come here just to become a slave to a system that they come see, which obviously is built of someone's ideology. And I mean, the mango tree come here to produce mangoes, and you not just have one mango tree. So when there's something for us to differentiate them different type of mangoes, you know. And the mango tree, the Julie mango tree, even if I know the Julie mango tree know itself, I know it produce Julie mango. You know, see, and it's small, it's deliberately go in draft, sitting at night, and you see, you're going to find lime come out of the Julie mango tree, and you're going to find blacky mango come out of the Julie mango tree. Everything have its purpose. Everything have its purpose. You have to find yours. I know you have to find yours. Apply yes, the standards so you need to apply to yourself. Yeah, because everything have a foundation. What kind of foundation you stand upon? Young people ask yourself that, what is the foundation you are standing on? Is it a solid foundation? Is it a solid foundation you are standing on, and will that foundation carry you to where you need to go? Are you trying to build a penthouse and a log cabin foundation? Yeah? Think about it. Can the structure that you are trying to build now, can the foundation that you are on withstand it? Or does that foundation make sense? And sometimes we spend time sitting around and talking about and discussing artists this and other artists that we already make it out in our life and never know no blood clot. And all our energy going towards discussing things we're not even nothing to elevate them. And a lot of young people blame them try to blame somebody, them parent, them try to blame somebody why they are not rich or why they are not living a wealthy life, and thinking that living a wealthy life is all about that. It's all about life. No. You can't want to try to live a wealthy life in a material world, and when you come around your spirit stink. You have to clean up your spirit, and you clean up your spirit with your actions. Because if your mouth is saying all these nice and pure things, but your action is covered with filth, you're defeating the whole purpose, and you're sticking a dagger in your own heart. And if you're an artist, it's doing the same. You're the same as how you stick the dagger in your heart, you stick it in your heart. You see what I say? Because we don't have no purpose, we don't have no principle, we don't have no standard. And until you can apply principle, certain starting and you don't have to start big, but once you start and form it into good habits. And stop going around thinking and behaving like you're entitled. And somebody own something, and nobody no own nothing. Nobody no own nothing, own a lot to no ancestors. Own a lot to no ancestors, because if it wasn't for somebody, we probably wouldn't reach which part of the day in this world. And you still not see that we give thanks for that. And then I don't think people don't like you, don't like yourself, or never see someone don't like yourself. But you're not quick to blame the adults. You're not quick to blame the adults. Especially on a young early 20s, late teenagers, early 20s. And it should even go to the whole land to blood clot. Most of them not found enough because you have some 12-year-old collective no blood clot. You have some 12-year-old where you swear say I want 40-year-old in there, I want 50-year-old in that. So that is not even fair for me to even say. So let me take back that. You understand? You have some big blood clot man and you have some big woman too and we go on like say them are two. Them time they cut out now and for wake the fuck up. When for wake up. Wake up. And stop relying on Jesus. When I rely upon Jesus for the what? If you tell you no say you never know say you do that. As somebody don't look for lazy in action, on lazy in a blood clot mind. Clean up on a act, man. And balance out yourself and make this universe get to balance out properly. Make mama nature get back nice again. And I feel like say me I come with no hard feelings in me. I talk about what I see. And what I experience. Love is that. Love is mama's secret weapon. BOASY slave. You know Babylon's secret weapon now, you don't know. Hang on to mama love, because it's a fair secret weapon. If you don't start loving yourself, really start loving yourself, nobody not have to worry. If every individual really apply love to themselves the way they say they love themselves, not by chopping a piece of themselves or clipping a piece of themselves or clipping a piece of themselves or applying something. I mean really love yourself. The next man won't have to worry because you will know say you and him are one and the same. Because him and end up to do the same and they will realize you could become a network of loving people once again. And when we have a standards and we have a principle and we know a purpose, we know say the carpenter now if you go fight the plumber for the water hose, because you know say if you have a water hose you don't need feet and the plumber have need feet. And the plumber knows that him can share with the gardener if the gardener won't break. Because this is the purpose and the reasoning right there. But some of you fight for these things and you fight for things and when you get it tomorrow you don't want it. Then what was the purpose of it? What was the purpose of it? And no found one say boy, oh, nobody never did to teach you this and nobody never did to teach you that. But experience teach it wisdom. How comes you not make the same fucking mistake here in here out, here in here out, here in here out? Well, you can't teach you no blood clots everything too? Or you can't teach you yourself a thing or two too? They on the train one time. And this young man, see, like him have the flu or something. I remember coming down with it. And him just stand up in the train and him just decides him have just cough. Cough.
So you know, say, I don't give a fuck. People, when sit down, white people go and like say they're afraid. And because, imagine, in white, I guess they don't want to say whatever. So me cover my nose. And me start giving that stare. So when he look around upon me, and he's like, him see the look with me, I understand him see the look. And I'm going to say, oh, like being sarcastic. My mom, I wasn't taught any better. I laugh. So I asked him, say, if he has never gone anywhere, because him look early 20s, I assume, but him look like that. So for the time when him there on earth up until that time, I asked him, haven't you gone around anybody that you see them doing something, a coughing, sick like that, and what they did opposite of what you know, I said, nobody ever do not with that, whatever. Maybe. So I asked him, say, you know, we didn't never go down that road there, you know. Never go down that road there. Long and short, he ended up apologize. I never got toe to toe with him for say boy whatever. I just reason him and show him, give him question, tell him answer, to tell him start feeling like a fool. Because I show him logic go down and show him where that he's responsible for the fucking action that he's doing. And start yes, he may be a product of his parents' teaching. But what else had he add on to that teaching? Or else had he grown? What did he do with that teaching? So young people that is played out when that is a boy, you never have you may never have a father to show you this, or you may never have a mother to show you that. Them played out by now. Them played out. Because you don't have the media for teaching. And the media want to live in a bomber clot box. Want to live in a blood clot box. So till someone dumb in that bomber clot till them have to make the box smart enough. Because we all know dumb to Rasta, if they never make the box smart, then they wouldn't make them more money. And someone wise up out of that. And see that. Don't make them hold, don't make the one them go on like say they don't want to wake up, hold on the back in that. Don't make them go on like say they want to hold on the back in that. And when down the young people, when they want some adult with their mind lock up and phone open, fly with them blood clot mentally. If you can't left them. I'm gonna find which part can make you expand and grow both physically, spiritually and mentally. Don't make fear hole in the back. Don't make fear hole in the back. And I make the bossy slave in a prison hole in the back here. Young people them out there will wake up and I rise up to them to the mission. Yeah. And I survive no matter what. I know say by any means necessary, as long as they not affect and hurt nobody negatively. And then hold on to their righteousness. Righteousness. Be true to self. Always be true to self. Always be true to self. And once you be true to self, once you are true to self, you will understand when a next man, when he's being true to self, oh, you must not snarl that person. Because you will know how to control yourself, and each person is learning how to control themselves. Some people want to try to control other people and then came and blood clot control the pussy in their yard. So all of the little young warriors out there, all of the young warriors out there, big one too, but the young ones them are the focus. All of the young warriors them out there, don't lose heart, don't lose faith. The ancestors them are carry on now. Carry out to the mission and the movement like you have 1,000,001 army of warriors behind you. Without fear. And you see BOASY slave then. When you want to put out a master muck, you have to love who you want them to rise up here. I wonder how people can tell the difference now between who are descendant or ascendant or slave and who are the ascendant or descendant of this and the other field slave. I wonder how they can tell the difference now. I wonder how we can tell the difference now between the ascendant and descendant. I like the word they call descendant. Descendant. When you descend, you don't go down. And you ascend, you go. I don't like English language of bomb clat, you know, man. I don't like English language, man, because descend, there's no reason that descend, when you descend, you go down, you go down, man. Anyway, that's a story for that. But yeah. Rise up. And run the race. Run the race. Like a human being. Not like a rat. You run a rat race with nobody. Because at the end of the rat race, them still a blood clot rats. When you run a rat race, at the end of the race, you're still a rat. Run the human race. Run the human race. With love, truth, righteousness, integrity, justice, so that peace can reign. Yeah, man. Just niceness. I want love, you know. Just say it. Najee, man. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And please do leave a comment. Yeah. Respect and love. Manners in the 2020. Beautiful, beautiful vibration right through 2020. Peace and love.